Hello, my name is Judith Sornberger, and the poem I'm going to read you is titled Why She Became a Crow During COVID-19. So she could stop watching the news. So she could carry the story of all colors on her wings into the gloom of gray sky. So she could stop counting her dead and attend one by one to the deer, raccoons, and squirrels killed by wheels. So she could meet with her kind over a meal. So, soaring, she could claim a station high among the pines, surveying only beauty. So diving, she could retrieve dropped pieces of our lives, pearl button, rhinestone earring, gleaming penny, make her nest a gallery of dazzle. So resting on a brace of eggs, her mind would never drop again into worry, so she could remember how to fly.